Hello children. Children, now we are going to start with the new poem of English reader, that is English 2. So take out your English 2 books. Then take out page number 81. On page 81, we are going to start with the new poem, that is My Shadow. Now children, do you know what is a shadow? Shadow means parchai. In Hindi we call it parchai. So now in this poem, the poet is telling that there is a child who is asking himself that what is the use of shadow? What is the use of shadow? What does a shadow look like? What does a shadow look like? What is its use and how it grows? All these things the child is telling in this poem. Now let's start reciting this poem. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. So who is the poet of this poem? Who has written this poem? Robert Louis Stevenson, R.L. Stevenson. He is the writer of this poem. Now let's start reciting this poem again. Then I will explain you line by line. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Now here in this poem, the child is saying that I have a little shadow. I have a little shadow. Not only this child, like children, I want to tell you that all of us are having a shadow. All of us are having a shadow. Whether we are in the house or outside the house. Whether we are inside the house or outside the house. Wherever we go, that shadow follows us. Or you can say that shadow moves along with us wherever we go. Whether we are inside the house or outside the house, to whichever place we go, that shadow will always move along with us. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. Now this child is saying that what is the use of this shadow? This child is saying what is the use of this shadow? Children, like in this picture you can see this child is there and behind him one dark shade is there. This dark shade is called a shadow. And you can see the way the child is jumping on the bed, in the same way the shadow is also jumping. So this is a shadow. This we call a shadow. Now this child is saying that what is the use of this shadow? That we can only see this shadow. This shadow cannot play with us, cannot do any work for us, nothing. Only the use of this shadow is that we can see this shadow. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. Now this child is saying that this shadow is exactly like me. This shadow is exactly like me. It looks like me. The structure of the shadow is just like the structure of my body. So from the heels up to the head means from the foot to the head or from the head to the foot, this shadow is the same. The shadow is same like me. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Now this boy is jumping on his bed. Similarly, you can see his shadow is also jumping along with him. So this is what I told you, that this shadow copies you exactly. Like whatever you do, this shadow does the same thing. It is not that you do something else and the shadow will do something else. No. Whatever you will do, your shadow will also do the same thing. If you are walking, your shadow will walk. If you are running, your shadow will run. If you are jumping, your shadow will jump. So whatever you will do, your shadow will just follow you. So here in this picture, the boy is jumping. Similarly, the shadow is also jumping along with him. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. Now this child is saying that the most funniest thing about this shadow is that the way it grows. The most funniest thing about this shadow is that the way it grows. Like it grows within seconds. And it grows to such a great height that we can't even imagine. It grows to such a great height that we can't even imagine. So, why does this shadow grow within seconds? Due to the light of the sun. Due to the light of the sun. Like in the morning, early in the morning and in the evening, this shadow is the tallest. This shadow is the tallest during the early morning and early evening hours of the day. But this shadow is the shortest during the afternoon. Because at that time, the sun is just above our heads. The sun is just above our heads. And due to that, our shadow is the smallest at that time, means in the afternoon. And at that time we are not even able to see that shadow because it is the shortest in the afternoon time. And it is the tallest in the early morning and in the evening hours of the day. So now this child is saying that what is the funniest thing about this shadow is that the way it grows. Like we all are children. Like you all are children. Like once you were a baby, you were a small baby. And it took so many years for you to grow up. Means you are taking time to grow up. We human beings are taking time to grow up. It will take years to grow up. But this shadow grows up within seconds. So this is very funny about this shadow. That this shadow grows up within seconds just due to the light of the sun. Now we children are growing like you all are now in second class. You will take time to grow in third class, and slowly and steadily you will be, one day you will be in 10th. But it will take time, it will take so many years for you to grow up. But this shadow grows up quickly at a very fast speed, and that is just due to the light of the sun. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. Now this child is saying that this shadow shoots up taller. Like children, suppose you are having a rubber ball. A ball which is made up of rubber. When you bounce that ball on the ground, what happens? The ball goes up in the air. When you bounce that ball, the ball goes up in the air. And when that ball goes up in the air, it goes to some height from the ground. But this shadow, when it grows, its height is much more than this India rubber ball. The height of this shadow is much more than the height of the rubber ball when it bounces. So it means that the height of this shadow is much more, means it is much more taller than the height of the ball when we bounce it. So, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. Now, you can see this picture. In this picture, you can see the shadow is so small here. And it is so small that sometimes we are not able to see a shadow also. Because it is so small. And this is just due to the light of the sun. And this is mainly in the afternoon. Because the sun is just above our heads. And at that time, the shadow is the shortest. And this is what is written over here. And he sometimes, who is he here? He is the shadow. The child is saying that this shadow becomes so little that there's none of him at all. That we are not even able to see that shadow. And sometimes it becomes so small. So this is the way how the shadow grows and how the shadow becomes small. So this was all there regarding this poem, children. I hope you all have understood this poem. Recite this poem twice or thrice at home, and then listen to this video and understand the poem. So in this video we will do till here. In the next video we will be doing the exercises of this poem. Thank you.